Greetings everyone. Today we have this platform called MarketMuse, and this is the best AI-driven website analysis tool. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Now you know how important a website analysis system is. So if you want to get in-depth review about your platforms, you can use the features offered by this platform, because you can manually create audits, and content audits take hours or days. Because so if you are doing manual audits and stuff like that, it is going to be automating that process, because the guys and the people who are into search engine optimization and trying to make their website the best are going to be using this platform, because MarketMoves automates content audits and removes the subjectivity of what is or isn't working, what is missing, so you prioritize the right content faster. Now, if it offers a wide range of features, like for example content planning, cluster creation and analysis, it have competitive content analysis, and the amazing thing about this platform is its great interface. So you get this really amazing type of UI, and even if you want to do your keyword research, this is going to be providing you with that. So the website comes with pricings and plans. So if you want to start it, you need to pay a certain price, because it offers really amazing features and the value it provides is extremely high. You can see the free, standard, theme and premium, so you can go for anything that is going to be suiting the best for your business. For some reason, if you are still unsure about the platform, you can see its reviews and they are damn high. So you can see 5, 5, 5 and 5. So a content creation ally, and some other guys are saying MarketMoves has transformed my content creation. So it is the one of the best and highest rated platform out there. If you get on the platform, you will get an idea yourself as well. Before we get to the end, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Make sure to give it a try, and see you in the next video.